Friends, very good morning. Myself, Professor M.H. Annaya. In this video, we are going to work out a problem on the projection of a line which is divided in a ratio of 2 is to 1. And let's see what is the question we have for today's video. The question reads like this. A straight line AB 90 millimeter long is divided in the ratio 2 is to 1 by a point M. You have a line AB which has got a length of 90 millimeter and this is divided by a point M in the ratio 2 is to 1. So if this is 30, it is going to be double that. So 30 plus 60 is 90. Now friends, we are going to consider only the small portion of this MB. Draw the projections of this MB, that is M dash B dash and small mb we will get. And then by projecting the front and top views on the same lines, we should be able to obtain the complete projections of the line. Friends, we have here the other data is that the point M which is dividing that is 50 mm from both HP and VP. So I've marked M dash and M, this projection of this point at a distance of 50 millimeter from both HP and VP. Next is also been given that one of the ends is 10 mm above HP. So I am going to take this as the end A of the line and I will mark it as locus of A. Locus of A is this. Now friends, they have not given us uh, the important parameters like the inclination, etc. What can be done now, friends? You have this point m dash, you have the true length here, that is 60. I will take m dash as center and radius equal to 50 millimeter. I am going to draw an arc to cut the locus of A at point A1 dash. I will join this with this m dash and simply extend that by a distance equal to 30 millimeter. This is 60 and I will extend it further by a distance of 30 millimeter. So I will mark this side 30 millimeter and I will call this point as B1 dash. So friends, A1 dash B1 dash represents the true length of the line, wherein A1 dash M dash is 60, M dash B1 dash is equal to 30. The total will become 90 millimeter. Now friends, what else is given? The front view measures 60 millimeter. What is the meaning of that? The front view seen above the XY line, that is A dash B dash is the front view that measures 60 millimeter. Now friends, I take M dash as center and with radius equal to how much? That is, if this front view is divided in the ratio 2 is to 1, this length is going to be 20. So I am going to draw an arc taking radius 20 millimeter and this point is going to be point B dash and this distance is 20. So other length should become obviously 40. Now what I do, friends, I have this point B dash. I will extend this line B dash M dash downward in the same line. So this is extended downward to meet the locus of this point at A dash. Hence, this line A dash B dash represents the front view of the line with A dash M dash equal to 40 and this is equal to 20. If I add these two, the front view length should become equal to 60 millimeter. Now friends, let us consider only this part of this and see how to obtain the top view of the line. Friends, from this point B1 dash, I can write a vertical line downwards till it touches the locus of this M at point 1. So what that I have done? I have drawn a vertical line through this B1 dash, the end of the true length line, till it intersects the locus of point M at point 1. Now taking M as center and the length M1 as radius, I am going to draw an arc. So an arc is drawn taking M as center, length M1 as radius. Now friends, you know very well the projectors of the end B, that is B dash and B, lie on a vertical line perpendicular to XY. Now what I do, I draw a vertical line straight through that till it intersects the so-called the arc drawn here. And friends, this point will represent B. So this point is our B. So friends, join M and B, you will get MB, the top view. So I am going to join M and B. So this MB is the top view of this part. M dash B dash is the front view of this part, MB. Now friends, we will have this line extended here. We have B dash and B lying on a vertical line. Similarly, A dash and A should lie on a vertical line parallel to that. So I will write a vertical line through this. So a vertical line is drawn through this to locate the point A dash here. So how to get that, friend? You have this A dash, MB is the top view of this. Simply extend that. And friends, if we extend this line backwards, it will meet this vertical line drawn through the point A dash at point called A. Friends, you see here, A dash and A is one of the end projectors. Likewise, B dash and B is the other end projector which is parallel to that. Now friends, we have the front view A dash B dash. Likewise, we have got the top view AB and true length in the front view, that is A1 dash B1 dash, is also obtained. Finally, we need to obtain what is called the true length in the top view. Friends, what is to be done now? You have the locus of A and locus of A both, locus of A and also locus of B. Now friends, we know the true length. Taking center M and length is equal to how much I should take now? This part is BM, that is AB top view. Now I should draw a line from point M, taking the true length of that as 30 mm. So it will meet somewhere here. So we will join that and obtain point MB1. So I have got MB1. MB1 is the true length of this part. Extend it further the backward direction to meet the locus of this point A at point A1. So A1, B1 finally represents the true length of the line in the top view. So we have completed the complete projection of the lines having 4 lines, namely the front view A dash B dash, top view AB, true length in the front view A1 dash B1 dash, true length in the top view A1 B1. And apart from these projections, we have been asked to determine what's the angle made by the true length with HP and VP. So this is the true length line. What is the angle made by that? Friend, that can be found out by measuring this angle. This angle is theta, the angle made by the line with the HP. On the same lines, you can also obtain what is the angle made by the line with VP, which we call it as phi. Even this can be found out. That is the solution for the first part of the question. Second, distance of A from VP. We have the point A here. You measure the distance from XY to this. This gap will give you distance of B, A from VP. And finally, we have been asked to find out distance of B from both HP and VP. Friends, you have got the locus of B here. find out the distance of that locus from xy line. This will give you a distance of B from HP. Finally, on the same lines, you can find out how far is the locus of B from the xy in the top view. So this is distance of B from VP. From VP. And friends, you got this. Finally, you have also been asked to find out DEP. What's the meaning of DEP? DEP means distance between end projectors. In this problem, A dash A is one end projector and B dash B is the other end projector, and these two projectors are parallel to each other. Now I extend this A dash A downward. Similarly, B dash B also downward, and find out what is the distance between these two parallel lines, that is called DEP. So DEP can be found out. Friends, this is how we work out the problem on this projection of lines when the line is divided in the ratio 2:1 by a point M. Friends, please go through the complete video without skipping any part of it in between. And if you like this video, do share it with all your friends without fail. Have a wonderful day. I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.